Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. Welcome to another important video. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, then welcome. I do important videos like this to help you navigate your Android TV and get the best apps you want on that Android TV. So if you find this helpful, like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So in this particular video, I want to show you the best app link codes to use to get all the apps that you want on your AppLink application. So if you already know what AppLink is, you know it works with codes and you need some important codes to really navigate the application without any limitations. So this video is to showcase my best 6 app link codes. So watch the video right up to the end, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for more videos like this.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So that's it. This is my Sling TV box and I'm going to be using it. Now the process I'm about to show you will work on your Android TV, it will work on your Android TV box, and it will also work on your Fire Stick, even if the process on the video is not the same, but the concept is the same. So make sure to get the concept in and not just the video as you see on my screen here, because your device might not look the same as mine, but the process is the same. And in this case, the first option is for us to install the AppLink application. Now to install the AppLink application, we need downloader. So let's start by installing downloader to our Android TV. So for me to install downloader, there are lots of options, but I'll go with a simple option, which is launching my browser, my Google browser, or any option. So you can use your Google browser, which is the one I recommend, but use anyone. If you have an Android TV that have Play Store, perfect. Just go to the Play Store and search for downloader. But if you don't, like in my case, just go over to your Google and then go ahead and launch, and then just go ahead and search for the application, which in this case is the downloader application. So I'm just going to go ahead and type downloader. Now, my suggestion is already showing there. So I'm not going to type the whole name of the application. I'm just going to go over to my suggestion here. My first option here is downloader app. If you don't have yours like mine is showing because I've searched for the application lots of time. So if you don't have mine, just go ahead and type the whole name, which is downloader app. And you're going to see something like this. As you can see on my screen here, it even tells me that you visit often. Okay, so this is here. And what I'll do to install the application is just to click on it once and then install. So downloader is such a nice application for Android TV because it helps you work like a browser and it helps work like an app store. So just click on install. It's not going to take a lot of time to install. Just wait for a couple of seconds for it to install. So I was explaining, downloader is perfect because it helps you search for any application by just typing a code or a keyword, and it's very easy to use. So once it's installed, all you have to do just click install or open, sorry. So once you're here, if it's your first time, you're going to see this pop up here. So just go here and click OK. So here is the downloader. So what we're going to do to install the AppLink app is to type in this. So I'm just going to quickly type it now. So once you type in applink.store, all you have to do is just go ahead and click go. So once you click go, it's going to bring you to where you can install the AppLink application to Android TV. As I said, it is very easy. So here's the option here. Just browse over here, click download AppLink. So the application is going to start downloading to Android TV, and we'll just give it a moment for it to download. Once it's done downloading, we're just going to go ahead and install it and then launch it. And I'm going to show you how to use the codes. So just give it a moment. So the application is downloaded. Now we install. So once you click install, it's going to install to Android TV in a couple of seconds. Now it's done. So click done and then you click delete to ease your Android TV from junk file. So once that is done, you can return home and you'll see the application has been installed. So if you return home over here and go over to apps, as you can see on my keys here, the AppLink application is over here and it's installed. So just go ahead and launch it. And if you are someone who has been watching my videos on YouTube, you realize that AppLink is similar to OnLink, but they are not the same. So once you go over to AppLink, there are already some applications there that you can install. There are lots of them. See, there are various categories: live streaming, movies and TV shows, games. So if this pops up, all you have to do is just go over here and click OK. So as I was explaining, there are categories. They can try to install applications for all these categories have apps. I'm not going to show them because YouTube might flag my video. But if you go on to an option like utility, then you are going to see other options there and utilities like players and so on. So for instance, this is a player here, HB player. So to install any of these applications to your Android TV, just click on the one and click download. And it's going to take a second to download. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead now and install it to your Android TV without any issues. So that's how, in short, to install applications from AppLink. Remember, these videos will show you codes to use and not just necessarily show you how to install. So I'm just doing this as an aside for you to know how to use AppLink if you've never used it before. If you've used it before, just skip to the code section. So once you're here, this is how to install an application. So once you download, it's going to come to the install button and install just like you've seen me do right away. So once you're done installing, you can go back and check the application is going to be installed. So that's how to install application in AppLink. So now, how do you add code? Remember, this video is about 6 code. I'm going to try to be as quick as possible here. So in the code section, if you see a code, please pause the video and write down the code, or you can screenshot, because I don't want the video to be too long. So the first code in this case, to add a code, you just go over to add a store and you're going to type in a code here. So here is the first code, which is 88099. So once you type it, this how it looks like, 88099. So what you do is come down to the option that says add and you click add, and the code is going to be added to a store. So how do you check the code? Just go over to save stores and you click here, and as you can see, the first code is already here, 88099. Once you select it, you can go ahead and open. And in this code, here are the applications in this code. There are lots of them. You can take your time, type in the code and browse through. Remember, I'm blurring the video in case of any flagging. So that's the first code. Let's move on to the next code. So here's the second code, and it's kind of longer than the first one. So it is 812051690. Please, you can pause the video or copy the code down. So once you type in the code, just go over here and click add, and it's going to add to the store. To check it out, just go over here, click, and here is it over here, and then you can open it and see the applications in this particular store. So just like the first one, there are lots of other applications here. Please, I'm blurring this, you already know the reason. Once you type it on your Android TV, you can see all the applications there without any issues. So that's it for this code. Let's move on to the next code. Simple, the process comes App Store and you type down the code. So the third code is 8970. That is the third code. And just like the first two, just go over here, click on add.
So after saving the store, what you have to do is to go over to your stores here which are saved, and you click on the third one that we just saved and open. Once you open here, the applications are found here and you can scroll through it. Remember, once you type in the code on your Android TV, you can take out your time to see all the applications that are found here. So I'm blurring this, you already know the reason. So before we go ahead to the fourth code, I want to recommend a VPN for you to use. Browsing on certain applications like this can be risky for your information and for your Android TV. So it's very important for you to use a VPN because it keeps you secure on the internet, and also it helps you bypass certain limitations that might come across using certain applications on your Android TV. So it's very important for you to use a VPN. The description of this video, I've added a VPN that you can choose. Go just check it out. If you like it, use it. If you don't like it, just go to the internet and find other VPNs you can use. But make sure that as you're browsing on the internet with your Android TV or Android TV box or whatever device you're using to browse on the internet, make sure to use a VPN. So let's move on to the fourth code. And the fourth code is simple, the process we've been doing from the beginning. So I'm just going to type it down. So the code is 9080606. So once you type in the code, all you have to do is just go ahead and add it, and then you save to your store. Then move on to your save stores, and then you check the code over there, and then you open it. Now, once you open this store, just like we've done for the previous 3 stores, you go over here and you're going to see the applications that are found here. So you can scroll through them. And one thing I want to say is that all these applications are updated to 2025. These are no outdated applications. They are all updated. Let's move on to the next store, which is the fifth store, and the process is still the same. So I'm going to type in the code. So here's the code 81574. So once you type in the code, you add it, move on to your save store, and you check in the code, and then you open the store just like we've done with the previous. Now here are the applications that are found in this store, and they are all updated. So once you come with the code, please take out your time to browse through. Let's move on to the last code, which is the seed code for today. So you come over to App Store, and then you add in the code, which in this case is 675168052. So that is the code. Once you type it, you add it to your store, and it's safe. You go out to your safe store and you open it and you scroll to the bottom where the last code is, and then you open it. And these are the various applications that you're going to find in this store. And as I said, they are all updated and you can install any application just like I showed in the earlier part of this video. So these are the applications in this store, and so far I've showed you 6 different codes that you can use. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And then there's one thing too that you could do. If you want to check out all the codes, just go out to your store. They are all saved here. You can check out all the codes without any issues. So like and subscribe for more videos.